In this video, I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Facebook account. So from this point forward, what you are going to do is just head over here to your profile and then you're going to tap the gear icon. After doing so, we're going to open the account center. Now here in the account center, I want you to go ahead and scroll down and look for the personal details found here, and you have the contact info. Now from this point forward, what you're going to do is just tap the add new contact right here, and we're going to choose a phone number. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and type your mobile number. So I'm just going to go ahead and type my phone number right here. All right, there you go. And then I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to choose Facebook and then tap the next button down here. All right, now I have the confirmation already, so I'm going to go ahead and type it here and then go ahead and tap the next button found here. All right, there you go. So we have added it. Now I'm going to go ahead and close it, and you should be able to see it here. Now from this point forward, you can go ahead and click that, and you are now able to see it. That, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.